Hello student, today we are going to learn the circle. This is the part of chapter number 1 geometrical figures 4th standard math. We see the some objects here, a bangle, a bicycle wheel and a cart wheel. These all objects are circular in shape. In 3rd standard we learn circle. Circle have no edges and no corners. Now in this standard we learn circle. In circle have center, radius, diameter and chord. This all we learn step by step. Now I take some shapes of circle, and if this is a circular shape, if we fold this, then this is look like, and I draw a line in this fold. Now this line is called chord of the circle. Understood? This is circular shape and I fold in this way and draw a line. This line called chord of the circle. Now understood the concept of chord. Now see the second. I take another shape of the circle and divide this circular shape into two equal halves. See, in this way. Two equal halves means two equal parts. Then I draw a line. Now this line is called diameter of a circle. Understood? In picture I also draw diameter. This can pass through the center of the circle. Understood the concept of chord and diameter. Chord means we can fold in this way and it cannot make a two halves or two half of the circle, but diameter makes two equal parts of the circle. Now see the next concept. Center, the point at which these lines meet to each other, means I fold this circular shape into in this way, again in this way. Then this point where these lines meet are called center of the circle. See, means here this is a center of circle. Now radius. This is a circle and this is the center of the circle. If I draw a line in this way and draw line in this way, and here name, here center M and this end P, then this point or this line MP is a radius of the circle. Understood? Means from center we can draw any line on the circle. This line is a radius of the circle. See, this is also a radius of circle. We can name here O. Understood? We can draw number of radius. See, this is also radius of circle, MS. Understood? Means from center to on the circle we draw line, and this is the radius of the circle. Now we have to understand the concept of chord, diameter, center and radius. Now how to draw the circle? By using compass. Now this is a compass. We have seen this already. This called compass, and this is a tip. This is the metal tip of this compass, and here we can adjustment here for pencil. This is pencil. I can fit in this way into this compass, and here now we have to draw circle by using this compass. Now here we take any point. Now I take here point and draw circle. For draw circle, I first put this metal tip on this point, and this pencil trace the circle. Understood? Very easy to draw circle by using compass. Now I have given this name center of the circle P. Understood? Here we put a metal tip. This is the center of the circle. Understood how to draw circle by using compass? Now see the next question. Look at the picture of the circle. Is the line shown by the arrow a chord, a diameter, or a radius of the circle? Write it in the box below. Means we have to give one circles and we have to draw the name of this. Now the first, this is a center. This is a chord. Now this is a diameter. Why it is diameter? Because it passed through the center of the circle. Therefore it is a diameter. Or it make a two equal parts of the circle. Now this is the radius. This is center, and from the center we draw line on the circle. Therefore it is radius of the circle. Okay, thank you for watching the video.